Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
This is Gina and this is Sasha. We welcome you to our new vlog channel called Crazy Channel in Cebu.
Yeah.
And today is Saturday, 28th of December 2019, and we travel going to
Liloan to Papakits.
Yeah, that's right. Even though it's a lot of rain at the moment outside, but we will update you about the park, what we can do there, what attractions they offer, how is the restaurant, how is the food, and yeah, you will see.
Hi guys, we're here now in Papakits. So this is the entrance. So we have activities today for zip line and wall climbing, and we have some adventures. We have some adventures that we will do today. So we're going to do shopping. Okay. Hi guys. Hi man.
What?
Hi. I feel a little bit nervous. I feel a little bit nervous. Show around.
Prank, both side prank.
Okay, kayo.
Okay, kayo ma'am. Dali lang ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you hold. And distance your head. Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Asa ka napita na side, ma'am?
Where you want? There or here? Anyway.
Are you ready?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, sir.
Live. Hello, sir.
Ja, weil es so eng ist dann, ne?
Ja.
Dann kann man sich das Wasser hoch.
Ja, ja, das
Oh my god.
Machst du locker voll.
Mag-refund ba mo if ever dili mo dayon?
Ticket mo yung visit.
Ah, okay.
Karang kung magbayad na portal. Magbayad pa dami ito para ticket. Ticket rin ma'am.
Oh my god. So Paolo, you can do that.
Und egal, wenn du abstürzt, dann hat die fest, ja, ne? Go, go, go.
Oh my god.
Ja, klar.
Das heißt,
ist schief halt die Wand, das ist ja normal. Mach's einfach wie Batman.
Okay, please do. Okay, continue.
It's really adventurous.
Schwierig, gell? Ich bin vor allem auf die Arme.
Right foot. Okay, down. Hold the rope. It's enough. Hold the rope.
Halt das Seil fest. Halt das Seil fest.
Okay.
Super.
Kick slowly. Kick. Okay, please do. Okay.
Mann auf den Kopf gesprungen.
He love more. Oh my god, that's really nice. It's really pretty, my love. It's my first time to saw this in real.
Really?
Yes.
Really nice, huh?
Yeah. Super nice.
Oh, ich hab's geschafft.
Okay, Gina, what we are doing right now?
I'm fishing. I want to catch more fish.
So you put already a bait on your rope?
Yeah. Yeah, and
Maybe
then
that
this is the food that I will throw there. Like that. Get some fish. And you must make like that. Okay? Like that. And I show you how to throw that.
Das weiß ja keine Ahnung.
You must make like that. Oh, I think it's falling down. The food is falling down. I need to get that It's really easily to remove. It's really easy to...
Oh no. What the heck? Come.
Oh my god, we will get
It's
wet
really
now.
Oh my gosh, help me. Now it's in the